Morning. Today, I keep saying we're going to do all this stuff, but don't seem to manage to ever get it all done. So we're definitely today going to put the felt on the roof. So each of these struts I've got to cut at a vertical angular, and then we can get the shed felt on, and then hopefully the fascia boards fitted. So I'm really hoping that I'm going to be able to get onto these side bits and then be able to get those in nice and neatly, so it's the outside and at least it's waterproof. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, okay, so fascia boards are on, and look at that. So that means now I'm going to get the edges in, get the trim, and then today I'm going to make the door. I'll do the other doors, but we need to make it watertight. But apparently the weather's going to turn. I doubt it's going to rain anytime soon, but we'll have a good tidy up around here, get some bits in there, but for now, side trim, door, hopefully that'll be for today. So now the outside's done, pretty much sealed in. Before I can do the trim on the outside here, I've got to straighten this up because it's slightly bows, and if I want to get these straight, this has got to be perfectly square. So I'm going to have to use this reinforced, butt up against there. This is how we do it. Okay, that's the day over. What I've managed to do today has actually been a really productive day because I've been able to set the doors. So the doors now open, and close nicely. All done. I've done the door, but I've got to hang that tomorrow. As you can see, it's all good, and that with now it's watertight because we've managed to do the roof and all the trim on this side, top and bottom. So tomorrow, finishing that up, lining up all the lines, getting that in, and we're all good. So thanks for watching. Definitely by tomorrow outside will be done, and we'll be on to the inside. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.